Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In today's tutorial, we will be addressing a common issue with the HP 15SFQ laptop, a short circuit on the motherboard. This guide will walk you through the diagnosis and repair process step by step, ensuring you have a thorough understanding of each stage. First, let's talk about the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a precision screwdriver set, specifically Phillips and Torx drivers, a multimeter for testing, thermal paste for reassembly, and a soft brush for cleaning. Make sure to have an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage during the process. Now, let's begin. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep track of these screws as they can differ in size. Once the back panel is removed, gently lift it off and set it aside. You'll now have access to the internal components of the laptop. Use the soft brush to clean any dust and debris from the motherboard and surrounding areas. This is crucial as dirt can often contribute to electrical issues. Next, inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or damaged traces. If you notice any, take a moment to document this. For checking deeper issues, use the multimeter to test continuity across the power circuits. If you find a short circuit, this is likely the root of your problem. If you're not comfortable with diagnosing the motherboard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply bring your laptop to us, and we'll take care of the technical aspects. Now, if you have identified the faulty component, carefully desolder it using a soldering iron. Make sure to follow safety practices while handling the soldering iron. After you have removed the faulty component, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to prepare it for the new part. If you don't have the tools or experience to carry out this repair, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. It's a hassle-free option for those who prefer professional help. After cleaning the area, it's time to install the new component. Apply a small amount of thermal paste if you're replacing any heat sinks, then solder the new part into place. Be sure to double-check your work for any potential mistakes. Once everything is in place, reconnect the battery and power up the laptop. If the issue has been resolved, congratulations. If not, further diagnostics may be necessary. For those who prefer not to deal with repairs themselves, remember we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can decide how to proceed without any surprise costs. Finally, reassemble the laptop by carefully placing the back panel on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, and then power on the laptop one more time to ensure it functions properly. This concludes our detailed guide on repairing the short circuit issue in the HP 15SFQ laptop. Remember, if you need assistance at any point, we're just a call away, no calls, no travel, just professional service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.